Some cricket news now. Two of Jamaica's promising cricketers are hoping 2026 will be a better year after what they described as below par performances in 2025.
Jamaica Scorpions player Daniel Beckford is hoping he will get an opportunity to make up for his poor returns in his debut first-class season as the franchise gets set for the new Regional 4-Day Championship. Beckford made 3 first-class appearances for the Scorpions last season, scoring 39 and 50 not out on debut. However, he managed just 17 more runs in his next 4 innings. The wicketkeeper batter admits that his performances were not good enough.
It was a mix year. I got a lot of good opportunities, which I'm really grateful for. So it was a good year, but it did have its downs. But yeah.
Downs? Major downs?
Downs meaning just some rough patches here and there, not performing as well as I would want to, but I was able to represent my country 2 times this year, and I'm really grateful for that opportunity.
Beckford, who also represented Jamaica at the Bolivarian Games in Peru, has his eyes set on playing international cricket, but he's also well aware of what is required to get there.
Well, I think both areas, but mainly my batting, but definitely will do some work in both batting and the wicket-keeping aspect of it, and I think I should be good.
Meanwhile, another player looking for a better showing in 2026 is national youth player Nikolai Mackenzie. The former under-17 captain, who turned 18 a few months ago, still has an opportunity to impress in youth cricket this year.
Locally, I think cricket was good locally, but regionally, I think it was a rough period there. Didn't score any runs as much as I wanted. I'm just having a new mindset going into 2026 and just look to apply myself better going forward.
Both Mackenzie and Beckford recently received playing equipment as part of an elite program at Bryce Cricket Academy. Director at the academy, Elvoy Bennett, says the aim is to bridge the gap between youth and senior cricket by providing players with equipment and competitive games.
Well, yes, and also you need somebody to be fostering them, because you can't be playing cricket and nobody's guiding you. So you need persons around you guiding you to tell you the difference between right and wrong and how to play cricket. And also I think the love for the game needs to be there as well. If you don't have the love for the game, then it doesn't make any sense, because what are you really playing cricket for? So persons need to have that pride again that they want to represent their country and West Indies. And I think if we have that, I think we'll do better.
The annual Bryce's Academy bilateral series was postponed due to the passage of Hurricane Melissa.